Teacher Carol aqui. Como vocês estão? Espero que estejam todos bem, se cuidando em casa. E a partir dos próximos vídeos nós daremos continuidade nas nossas rotinas, ok? Estão prontos? Let's go! Hello everyone! How are you today? Are you ready to start our first class of the week? Let's go, let's start singing the hello song together in 1, 2, 3. Let's start the day in a happy way. Let's start the day in a happy way. Let's start the day in a happy way. Get ready to learn and play. Very good. Guys, go check out your calendar. This is the calendar, your calendar at home. And check, what day is it today? Do you know? Let's check the calendar. Today is Tuesday. Very good. Can you repeat? Tuesday. All right. And what month are we in? Do you remember the month? It's August. Yes. Can you repeat? August. Good job. Very good. And what's the weather like today? What's the weather like today? Check your window, open the window and tell me, is it sunny? Like this, sunny. Is it rainy or partly cloudy? What do you say? What's the weather like today? Today in Mamãe Coruja it is a rainy day. Yes, it's raining. Okay, let's sing the weather song now in 1, 2, 3. What's the weather? What's the weather on this Tuesday? On this Tuesday, let's look out the window. Let's look out the window. It is raining. It is raining. Very good. Good job. And speaking of rainy, look, this is how the rain looks. There is a cloud. Repeat. This is a cloud. Cloud. Can you repeat? Cloud. A white cloud. And here we have a blue cloud with the raindrops. This is the raindrops. Repeat. Raindrop. Very good. So the raindrops are falling from the clouds. So this is how a rainy day looks like. Okay? And tell me, what do we need for a rainy day? Precautions. What do we need? An umbrella. Yes, to protect from the rain. All right? Repeat. Umbrella. One more time. Umbrella. Good job. And a rainy coat. Rainy coat. Yes, so Bob is wearing a rainy coat to protect from the rain. Repeat, rainy coat. Very good. Good job. So imagine that there is a rainy day and Bob is going to school. So he needs an umbrella, a rainy coat to protect from the rain. All right? Okay, so I hope you repeated with me the vocabularies. All right? Let's finish with the goodbye song in 1, 2, 3. It is time to wave goodbye, wave goodbye, wave goodbye. It is time to wave goodbye, goodbye to all our friends. Bye bye.